A woman's body goes through many changes during pregnancy, and so does her brain, according to a new study. Researchers found both first and second pregnancies reshape the brain in similar yet distinct ways. They followed 110 women, including first-time moms, women having a second child, and women who had never given birth. Repeated MRI scans revealed differences in their brain structure, wiring, and activity. During a first pregnancy, the biggest shifts appeared in the default mode network, which is involved in self-reflection, emotional processing, and social interaction. During a second pregnancy, greater changes appeared in networks involved in attention and responding to sensory cues according to the results. The lead author says these processes may be beneficial when caring for multiple children. The study also links structural brain changes to mother-baby bonding, especially after a first pregnancy, and to depression risk before, during, and after childbirth. The authors say understanding how the brain adapts during motherhood may help doctors better recognize and support maternal mental health.